Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can add a 3D effect to a symbol. Now, here's a symbol. I just added it from a symbols library. I just dragged across there to the artboard. And what you can do then, just go to Effect and 3D and Extrude and Bevel. Put the preview on. You can rotate it, move it around in 3D space. And there's a number of other options. You can modify the depth. You can make it a bit. Personally, I prefer it about 50, reasonable at that point. Also, you can modify with more options. There's a number of options for the colour and lighting, so you can change that. Add new light, just the other side, and so on and so on. Right, once you've actually decided that's what you want to do, click OK. And that's it. You can actually then just drag that over to the symbols button and save it as a new symbol. Now, if you've got a slightly more complicated symbol, and this is another cross design, and I'm just going to drag that over, and you can see it's actually made up of a couple of paths. So at this point, you can of course just go to Effect and Extrude Bevel, and I'll just quickly show you the result. Preview, and it's not so effective. In fact, you can't really do much with it particularly. You can obviously move these around still, but really not very good. You can't actually hardly see it, so it's not ideal. But you can of course just double click it, and I'm going to zoom in now. What you can do, you can actually combine them. This is I'm actually using symbol editing mode at this point. You just come out of it just by going exit symbol editing mode. You can actually combine it and then just change the colour slightly so it's a bit better. Right, and then go to Effect, Extrude and Bevel. Again, just like that, and you can move that around or delete. Okay, click OK. But also what you can do, if you don't want to do that, you can actually undo that, and you can actually just select the individual parts. So I've got that one there. I can just go to Effect, Extrude and Bevel. Again, always the preview disappears. Always a pity. I always wish the preview would be always permanently on. Click OK. Now, one problem here is that this is in front, which of course you might be quite happy with, or you can just remove it. Don't have to. You can just delete it and just keep that, or just go back again. You can always go right click and then arrange and send to back, and maybe add another extrude to that as well. But again, maybe changing the colour because it's not so good when it's so dark. Right, so you've got the two designs there, and you can just come out, and there you have it. You've got a nice, interesting cross symbol design, 3D like. Anyway, hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.